Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel without deleting your entire Google account. This is super useful if you want a fresh start on YouTube but still need access to your Gmail, Google Drive and other services. Let's get started. First, let's head over to YouTube. Now make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Once you're in YouTube, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and go to YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand side menu and scroll down to find Settings. Click on it. A new window will pop up. Here, click on Channel. And then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the Advanced Settings. And you'll see an option that says remove YouTube content. Click on that. You'll be asked to re-enter your Google account password for security reasons. Then you will need two options. You will see two options, that is, I want to hide my channel and I want to permanently delete my content. Choose the second option. YouTube will then ask you to confirm by ticking several boxes to acknowledge what will be deleted. Finally, click on delete my content. You'll be asked to type in your channel name. To confirm, type it in and then click delete my content, and that's it. Your YouTube channel is now deleted, but your Google account remains intact. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.